y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I recreated this look that Beauty Can Braid did. I'm not sure what her real name is, but she has a YouTube channel, a huge YouTube channel. She's actually in Tampa and I've been dying to go to her to get my hair done, but I just feel like she's going to be so expensive since she's so popular. But whatever, that's besides the point. The whole point is I saw this super cute look that she did, and since my hair was blow dried and I kind of just wasted blow drying my hair, I figured let me go ahead and try to recreate that look, and I think it is so freaking cute. So if you guys are interested in how I did it, then just keep on watching, and yeah, just keep on watching. That's it. Just keep on watching. So first I'm just going to separate the front section of my hair. So you want to part from ear to ear and just give yourself enough hair to work with. Once I have my back section out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and do a part. And I'm going to do 2 braids on each side going toward my face. Now I got this pack of beads and another one from Amazon for like $6.99, and I'm just going to add 6 beads on each braid. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my little bantu knots. I decided to just do 3. I didn't do as many as there were in the picture because I'm lazy, but it's okay. Still cute. Now I did want to add a little bit of detail, so I'm going to do braids going in different directions. So for this one, I did a braid going back. For the next one, I'm doing a braid going down along my hairline. And then for the next one, you'll see that I'm doing a braid actually going toward my face. Once I'm done with that, of course, I let the back of my hair out and I'm just going to adjust the beads to be where I want them to be. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Look how freaking cute this is. So cute and super easy. Like, definitely recommend you guys try it. So yeah, it was just that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, since you're already here, go ahead and watch another video. I'm putting it right here on the screen for you guys. You don't have to do anything. Like, just click it. Click right here. Right here. That's right.